We see a lot of customers creating a brand new budget category per year. You don't have to do that. I always recommend keeping the number of budget categories to a minimum. Obviously, be very careful you don't overwrite historic budgets. The benefit of having lots of budget categories is you do isolate the numbers. They become easier to create and delete should you want to play or practice or throw stuff away. But it becomes more complicated when it comes to reporting. When you reference the budget category in your workbooks, I'm just bringing it up here. Can you see here that I'm using a budget category called demo? Regardless of which year I select, I'm always using the same budget category. So the benefit of only using one or two budget categories and using them year on year is it makes reporting simpler because you don't have to keep switching out the budget category. If I had a budget category per year, for example, or lots and lots of budget categories for whatever reason, I'd be having to change the budget category that I'm referencing, as well as changing the period that or the year that I'm referencing. So either works. My preference is to have as few budget categories as possible. Some people prefer to have lots of budget categories, and it gives you that granularity over creating and deleting and isolating the data within a budget category.